Why we are so anxious about many things many times? Because we want things to happen quickly, right? I often say we are microwave oven generation, right? We want everything to be cooked and ready in a minute. So we cannot wait. A person of faith can wait. A person who doesn't have faith cannot wait. They want everything to happen. But what is this Job? He was suffering so much, but he could wait because he trusts in the Lord. So when you say that I trust in the Lord, but you have no even a minute of patience to wait, that means you really have no hope. You're just saying with your mouth. You're just saying you say you trust with your mouth, but really you don't trust.